This is my review of the Minix-Tech Visual Ear Cleaner. Being able to actually see inside your ear on your phone makes a huge difference. You're not guessing anymore. You know exactly what you're doing. I also like how many tools it comes with. You've got different tips for different situations, so you can switch things up as needed. You even have tweezers, which most sets don't come with. It's really easy to use. Once you connect it, everything is pretty straightforward, and it doesn't take long to get the hang of it. Another thing I notice is how gentle it feels. It doesn't feel harsh or uncomfortable, and you can take your time without worrying. The whole setup feels pretty complete. You've got the storage case, charging cable, and all the attachments, so everything stays organized. Overall, it just makes ear cleaning feel more controlled and a lot less guesswork. If you want a more modern and precise way to clean your ears at home, this is definitely worth trying. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.